Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apple Intelligence and Siri is not speaking out. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your settings, okay, or find the settings app, tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and find Apple Intelligence. Alright, or straight up Siri. You can tap on Siri right here. Now go ahead and find Siri responses. Now go ahead and select prefer spoken responses. Okay. If you want to, you could enable these two right here that says allow or always show Siri captions and show request. If you want that, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and go back. Talk to Siri right here. Make sure that you turn this on, maybe Siri or Hey Siri. This one. You could also use the side button for Siri. Okay. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if it still won't work, make sure you have the side button right here for mute and unmute, okay, on your iOS device. Well, what you're going to do, just make sure that it is unmuted. And once that's unmuted, go ahead and restart your phone. Okay, and after that, check Siri if it works now. All right. And also make sure that the language right here selected is supported by Apple's Intelligence or Siri as well. Okay, for example, English. All right, and there you have it. That is how you fix Apple Intelligence and Siri if it's not speaking out. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.